Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll explore how our new and revolutionary Adquio full Casambi remote access works. This service is made up of two very important elements. On the one hand, the software that we will have here, which we are going to see now. And on the other, the device that is in the client's home, connected to each of the Casambi networks. Regarding the security of these connections, we can tell you that all communications necessary for the operation of this platform are made through encrypted tunnels with maximum security. Both the connection from your computer to the cloud and the connection from the cloud to the client's final device. It is essential to note that, for this system to work, in the client installation where the Casambi networks are located, there must be at least one Adquio controller, from an Adquio Mini to any of the higher controllers, including the Adquio server. And this is important, because this Adquio Mini is the one that will manage the connections with all the Casambi networks of that installation. This software can work in two very different modalities. One with a public platform, where we manage all the connections, users, installations, projects, and even the connections to each Casambi network. And another totally private platform, where the client can have this infrastructure running within their internal network without exposing themselves to the internet. In the case of public facilities, we manage the users and the projects. That is, when our clients want to connect a Casambi network to the system, they must notify us, and we will support them in connecting to their Casambi networks and in creating users with remote access to those networks. You may wonder how this platform works. For us, the most important thing, and the reason for this platform, is that we want to provide complete access to the Casambi networks. This means that we will be able to do exactly the same things on the Casambi network as if we were with a device connected via Bluetooth at the client's home. This allows us to do things that cannot be done with the Casambi cloud, such as adding devices to the network or other options that you know are not available remotely in Casambi. On the other hand, with this software, you will be able to access absolutely all the functions of the Casambi application, as if we were connected locally to the network, as I already said, via Bluetooth. How is this connection made? Well, let's see it with this software. We tear it off. He is going to ask us for identification. It is important to highlight that this username and password will also identify which client we are going to access, and therefore which projects and facilities, okay? I'm going to use, and the first thing you're going to see that will happen when you enter the application is that here at the top, the name of your company will appear, okay? Because that user will be registered against a client. Each Adquio customer can have any number of users with permissions to access their Casambi networks. In this case, we have one who is the demo user. And how are these connections structured? Well, they are organized in projects. Each project can have its installations, and each installation can have its Casambi networks, any number of them. Okay? This happens because I can have a project that, for example, is a shopping center, and I can have different facilities within that shopping center. Parking 1, Parking 2, and Parking 3, for example. And each of these Casambi installations can have, in turn, different networks. In this case, 6 Casambi networks, okay? What do we have to do to connect to one of those Casambi networks? Simply select it and click Connect. It will take a few seconds to establish the secure tunnel, and once it has it, it will open the remote control of the Casambi device. As you see, he has already done it. It is also important to highlight that this connection, No, it is done through remote control software. We do not use AnyDesk or TeamViewer or any similar software, but rather we are doing it natively to the Android operating system. This will give us much more security, much more speed, and above all, we do not depend on third-party software that requires a license or that is restricted if it is a public license. Okay? No type of restriction and native connection with the device. As you can see, we are already in the Casambi network, and from here we have full access to it. We can go to the gallery, we can go to the scenes, we can go to the settings, and we are accessing the entire Casambi network. If we wanted to add a device, surely in Nearby Devices, as you already know, we would see it and we could add it. Okay? When we finish working, we can close the Casambi application if we want, and leave the device ready for a next connection. We're leaving here. When you return, the application returns to where we left off. If we want to connect to another Casambi network, for example this one, we will do exactly the same. As always, the secure tunnel is being established, and once you have it, you open the Casambi app remote. As you can see, we are in another Casambi network, in this case, with the Casambi application closed, but nothing happens. We open it. Let's open it. Okay? And we are once again connected to that Casambi network. It is important that you realize one thing, and that is that it doesn't matter if the Casambi app is open or closed, since we will reach the device and we can start it at any time. We do not depend on the stability of the Casambi application for this system to work, since we can open and close it as we wish. Depending on when we need it, we can leave it open, and if everything is correct, when we connect to this device again, it will remain open. Or, if it has been closed for any reason, we can reopen it and work on what we require. As you can see, the moment it opens, it quickly connects to the Casambi network and gives us access to all the devices on the network. Well, this is all. This is the application that our clients are going to use, and they simply have to notify us so that we can create the projects, installations, and connections to the Casambi networks. Remember that we are the ones who will configure the encrypted tunnels so that these networks have access. Therefore, we already give you all this infrastructure. Simply you, with your username and password, enter, and you will have the Casambi projects and networks added to this list. If you need it, you can change your password in this button, simply entering it twice and confirming. And this is all. As you can see, it is a very simple software, but at the same time super powerful, since it gives you the possibility of doing something that, until now, could not be done. Connect directly and very reliably to any of the Casambi networks that we have installed anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Okay? Until a next video.